The following instructions are for an enlarged scrotum. Wraps can also be used on patients with enlarged scrotums and scrotal edema. In these cases, the QuickChange is wrapped around the penis and scrotum in an open cone bowl shape. Place the wrap on the abdomen with the white absorbent side up, with the round edge towards the head, the two flaps towards the legs, and the wrap slid down as far as possible against the penis. Pull the pointed flap underneath the base of the scrotum in a clockwise circular motion to start creating the bowl shape. Pull the straight flap counterclockwise underneath and over the scrotum and pointed flap. This should automatically create an open-faced bowl with the wrap. With 2 fingers, pinch the hook fastener and inner flap together to ensure attachment.